My favorite dish is which makes me feel fresh. It means fresh vegetables can and fruits can make me feel fresh. And that the first comes spicy noodles, um, which contains many vegetables and also noodles with it. It's really it's really my favorite, and I used to have weekly 4 to 5 times. And spicy dishes. The second comes spicy dishes, whichever as its name, veg or non-veg. Both I really love to have spicy dishes.
மூவியில்
And
டூ எக்ஸ் ஒன் ஹைஃபன் ஃபைவ் போயிட்டு யாரும் வந்து இன்னும் டைம் பாட்டில் கொடுக்கலன்னு மட்டும் சொல்லுங்கள்.
and the which um, and the dal contained dishes like sambar and moreover like that. I ate that to have with like
Okay,
that dishes.
thank you, Kalpana. We'll move to the next
Thank
one.
you, sir.
Madhushri, please start presenting.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's visible. Please proceed. Madhu, you can start. Madhu, I can't hear anything.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Now you are. Now you are. Yes.
Okay, sir. Good morning to one present here, and I'm Madhushri S from Biomedical Department. And the topic I have got for an oral presentation is that movie that changed my life. The movie's name is that Freedom Writers. Freedom Writer is a 2007 American drama film. It was written and directed by the Richard LaGraven. And the main summary of the class of opposed by the many people in that society. Uh, the teacher doesn't support about the discrimination and races present in that, and she's opposed by many people who are in that society. Instead of giving up, she inspires students to take an interest in their education and planning their future. And these are the variation or discriminated people like the Asians and the blacks, the Latinos, and a few whites. First of all, what is a race? Some people consider race in different terms like skin color, religion, nation, and the human species. But as I but from my consideration, race is the one which doesn't give a term of characterization or appearance of a people. Sociological definition includes that it is a category of who have been singled out as inferior or superior on the basis of real physical characterization such as skin color,
Thank
hair
you.
texture, etc.
Thank you, Madhushri.
Thank you.
Yeah. We'll move to the next one. Pooja, please start.
Sir,
Pooja, you can start.
okay, sir. Sir, screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Proceed.
I am Pooja from Biomedical Department, and my topic is my favorite food. My favorite food is chicken. Chicken in any form is my favorite food. Adding chicken to all my meals, like chicken is considered to be the safest meal and most widely consumed meat in the planet. Chicken meat is loaded with proteins and hence favorite among the youngsters. And some of my favorite chicken foods are chicken noodles, and it can be added to all the dishes, even in pizzas, and some butter chickens, chicken fried rice. So chicken tandoori, the origin is developed it in 20th century itself in European countries, and it is more flavored. Shawarmas, shawarmas is
Pooja,
shawarmas is
Pooja,
a
thank you. I have graded you. Thank you. We'll move to Sureka now. Sureka, start presenting.
Yes, sir. So is my presentation visible, sir?
Yes. Proceed.
So my presentation is on my favorite dish. So I'm Sureka from Biomedical Department. My favorite dish is pasta. So pasta was first introduced in Italy in 13th century by manufacturing equipment and high quality products. Or
We lost you there.
and it was only high quality products in 20th century. It's and in description, pasta products are produced by mixing milk. These hello.
Yes. Proceed.
So now it is visible, sir.
It is visible. We lost you in the sense we lost your audio for a moment.
Okay, sorry, sir. The pasta is then dried and packaged for market. The raw materials, traditionally eggs, are optional ingredients. Most pasta manufacturers prefer semolina, which consists of fine particles of uniform size and produce high quality pasta products. So this is how the manufacturing is done in pasta industries. And then cooking pasta is like it should have the appropriate time to be cooked, not bit softy and mushy. Pleasure of eating pasta is texture, and if it's lost, it's overcooked. Pasta is cooked and served immediately wherever it is possible. So the different types of pasta are spaghetti, macaroni, fusilli, and etc. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sureka. We'll move to the next one. Sweta, can you start your presentation, please?
Yes, sir.
In the meanwhile, please finish your verbal part. If you have not attended the Viva, please do that. Oral presentation should be the only thing which is pending. Verbal part, please give your final attempt. Submit it there. You finish it, done and dusted, and then be here. Yes, Sweta, proceed.
Um, so good morning friends, my name is Shweta from Biomedical Department. My topic is on hot air balloon. So what is hot air balloon? Hot air balloon is lighter than aircraft consisting of a bag called envelope which contains heated air. It is also called as gondola or wicker basket which carries passenger and source of heat in most cases an open flame caused by a burning liquid. Hot air balloon is first successful human carrying flight technology. It was performed on 21st November 1783 in Paris by Montgolfier brothers. So, pre-modern and unmanned balloons. The predecessor of hot air balloon was Sky Lantern. You can see the Sky Lantern picture. And the French brothers Joseph Michael and Jacques Montgolfier developed a hot air balloon in the Hanoi Arcade, France, and demonstrated it publicly on September 19, 1783, making an unmanned flight lasting 10 minutes.
Shweta, thank you.
Of
Thank you,
hot air
Shweta.
balloon. Thank you.
Jashwant, can you start, please?
Yes, sir. Okay, what about rest of them? Hey, Hemachandra நீங்க இருக்கானோ? Kunal here?
Sir, is my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, proceed. Yes, proceed.
Sir, I'm Justin Kumar from CSE department. My topic is UFO, unidentified flying objects. About UFO, an unidentified flying object is an aerial phenomenon that cannot immediately be identified or explained. Most UFOs are identified on investigation as conventional objects or phenomena. The term is widely used for claimed observations of extraterrestrial spacecraft. Now here we can see the picture of the UFO clicked by someone. The terminology of UFO. The term UFO was coined in 1953 by the
Jashwant, thank you.
United States.
Jashwant, thank you. Premchand, can you start, please?
Yes, thanks. Okay.
Yes, sir. Hemachandran, Karan Kumar, Karuna. Quick join பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. இல்ல ஆன்சர் மார்க் போட்டு போயிட்டே இருங்க. சொல்லுங்க. Karan Kumara.
2S1-5 பார்த்தீங்களா?
So my screen is visible, sir.
சரி எனக்கு கால் பண்ண சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
What about Karunan? சரி அது 4 ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் வெளியே கால் பண்ணுங்க. லோகேஷ்
மொதோ அப்படி இல்லை.
Good morning to everyone. I am Premchand from CSE department. My topic is diet.
Karunan, Lokesh. The 4 students
Let me see about diet. Diet is very important in our life. Without maintaining diet, we can get disease like obesity, which means obese. The person having obese disease will have more body weight than correct body weight.
எனக்கு கால் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க என்ன நான் கேக்குறேன். ஓகேவா?
By eating vegetables,
Rest of them you complete mom.
fishes, we can get rid of disease like obese. And eating chapatis, biscuits. Avoiding chicken is important. That plays main role in our life. By eating juices
Prem, thank you.
and
Thank you, Prem. We'll move to
Okay,
the next
sir.
person. Sudhakaran, can you start presenting, please? Till now,
Okay, sir, on next.
Ashwati, Aishwarya, Kavya, Nakshatra, Niveda, Abhinaya, Deepika, Kalpana, Madhushri, Pooja, Sureka, Shweta, Jashwant, and Premchand, have you given final attempt in Moodle? Final submission in Moodle? If not, do it right
Yes,
now
sir.
after finishing verbal part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't wait for it. Okay, Sudhakaran, you can proceed.
My screen is visible, sir?
Oh, you are presenting it this way? Okay, go on.
Yes, sir. I can't present directly in my laptop, sir.
Sure, okay, go on, proceed.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir. Hello, sir. Myself is Sudhakaran from CSC department. I am going to present orally about my topic, which is my favorite food, that is noodles. Here's an overview of noodles. It is a type of food that is made of duff, and it can be rolled flat. It can be stretched, cut, and extruded. It is of 2 types. It is duff noodles and instant noodles. Instant noodles is very harmful. It can be made within a short time, whereas the duff noodles it can take long time, as we can add vegetables, sauce, and some spices, etc. It is usually cooked in boiled water, oil, and salt. It's a staple food in many countries, which is named as Chinese noodles, Japanese noodles, Korean, Filipino, and Vietnamese, etc. It's a small origin of noodles. It is string-like pieces of dough that are often dried and then cooked. It's hard to pinpoint. The earliest written record of noodles in China is found in the book dated in the Eastern Han period of 25 to 220 CE. In 2005, a team of Chinese archaeologists reported finding an earthenware bowl
Thank you,
that
Sudhakar.
contained remains of
Thank you, thank you. We'll move to the next person. Varun Kumar, start presenting, please. Varun Kumar.
I'm K. Varun Kumar from CSE department. My topic is about UFO, unidentified flying objects. An unidentified flying object UFO is any aerial phenomenon that cannot immediately be identified or most UFOs are identified and investigation as conventional objects or phenomena. This is a list of UFO sightings including cases of alien sightings and abductions. Some cases are popularly known and have become folklore. Others are more obscure and known mainly to ufologists and enthusiasts. A photograph. The UFO sighting was mentioned in 1492 by Christopher Columbus while he was in Santa Maria crossing the Atlantic Ocean. He said that he saw a lightning glimmering at a great distance. It disappeared and reappeared several times during the night. Also, a very interesting story is that of a man living in Chile in the 19th century. He saw a strange aerial construction bearing lights and making engine noises while it was flying low over the town. Local people described it as a giant bird covered with large scales and producing a metallic noise.
Thank you. Can we move to Vedadarshan, please? Vedadarshan, start presenting, please.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes, proceed.
Shall I present, sir? Myself, Darshan from CSE department. My favorite dish is chicken chili. It is very nice and delicious Chinese food. I really love it. Indian dishes are popular all over the world for its taste and variety. There are people who travel a long distance to taste of it. Vegetables. Vegetables is a healthy food. For example, green beans, carrot. I like carrot because they are good for the eyes. I like green beans because they are good for you.
Okay, we'll move on to Vivek Krishna. Vivek, start presenting. It's visible, Vivek. You can proceed. Vivek, please start, ma.
Yes, sir. My name is Vivek Krishna from the CSE department. Today I am going to tell about parallel universe. Let us see the definition of parallel universe. Parallel universe is the different universe within multiverse. According to the basis of quantum mechanics, the scientist named Frank Dipler says that with the help of Schrödinger equation, we can implement the concept of parallel universe. Hyperspace is the concept used for parallel universe in science fiction. it tells that it is possible to enter and exit from hyperspace with reasonable ease.
Sanjay,
There is a reason to enter hyperspace and exit rather than conventional
Thank you,
travel.
Vivek. Thank you. Arjun, can you start, please?
active தான் இருக்கு. Sir is there. இதை கட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுல போங்க.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Next is Augustine.
இப்படிப்பா அப்படி வரும்.
Okay, sir.
இது கட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுல போங்க.
Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, Arjun, proceed.
Hello everyone, I'm myself Arjun, and my topic is life in my city. And I live in Chennai, so I took Chennai as my topic. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. It is lately, in olden days it is called as Madrasapattinam and then changed to Madras, and now it is Chennai. It is located at the southeast of India, that is Coromandel coast. It is firstly discovered by Raja of Chandragiri, and then it has been Raja transported people so that became a settlements.
Okay, any issues? Tell me.
Why Chennai is so famous? Chennai is so famous for the employment availabilities because it has many IT companies and IIT colleges. So it is the place where peoples and animals were protected under government laws. So it is quite famous. And Chennai is one of the main place for tourism because it holds the second largest beach in the world, Marina Beach. And it has many ancient sculptures which is located at Mahabalipuram. We can see it nowadays. My perspective as conclusion, Chennai is a great place to live. It gives you everything you need to live because it gives foods and jobs, and it gives a place to enjoy our life in peaceful ways. And it is one of the most populated cities in Tamil Nadu because it holds 1/3 of population of Tamil Nadu. And that's my point. Thank you.
Thank you. Augustine, start presenting. The next person is Vamsidhar. Be ready. Augustine, you can start presenting now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this is Augustine V from EC department. Now I'm going to present about my favorite dish. Well, my favorite dish is a pizza. I know it's junk food, but I love it because I eat just once in a month. Then I used to tell something about how to prepare a pizza. The first you make a dough and you should roll it in a flat surface. Then you should add some ingredients by filling with ketchup, mayonnaise, and sausage. And ingredients some like cheese, mushrooms, rolls, and pepper. Then I need to keep in the oven and to off the oven, and then your pizza is ready. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Vamsidhar, can you start, please? The next person is Janani. Vamsidhar, you can proceed. In the meanwhile, guys, I believe you have already given the final attempt, the final submission in Moodle for your verbal part. Have you done that already? Makale, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Those who have not done it, please do it right away. So, Vamsidhar, you can start. Vamsidhar, are you there?
Yeah, from which department? Yes.
Vamsi, please start. We don't have all day. Okay, we'll move on to the next person. Janani. Janani, can you proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's visible. You can. Yeah. Proceed. You need to give presentation, ma.
I have.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Hi, I'm Rani. I'm from ECE department. My topic is my dream car. I always dream so that one day I will be at the place I always wanted to be. The same I follow in my dream car too. It's Audi R8. I'm nuts about cars. I dream it almost every day. I would dream to have my own car, Audi R8. I love this because it has been always been a symbol of speed and prestige. I go to visit long drive by my car. I was waiting for a new in a very exciting mood. This is the interior picture of the car, and this is the exterior picture.
2S1 check பண்ணுங்க இப்போ ரெண்டு பேட்சா இருக்கு பட் ஓவராலா செக் பண்ணுங்க நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Today, a car is a necessity, not a luxury. For teenagers, in my opinion, came into an indispensable global use in our today's century.
Janani, thank you. Is Vamsidhar ready?
And this car,
Vamsi, what about your verbal part? You have not given your final submission.
Well,
Same goes to
Saturday is
Premchand. Niveda, what are you doing, ma?
career as a motive.
Janani, thank you. Vamsidhar, please start your presentation, ma. Janani, thank you. Vamsidhar, you'll have to give final attempt in verbal part, Moodle also.
Sir, it's Venuja.
Yeah, proceed.
Sir,
Vamsi, your presentation is not visible yet. Vamsi, get your network ready. I'm moving on to the next person. I'm not hearing you properly. There is no presentation also. Just give me a moment. I will move on to the next person. You get everything ready. Vamsi, yes. Start presenting your presentation, PPT. I need to see your PPT, please.
Sir, it's visible, sir, now.
I'm able to see you, not your presentation. You need to present it, please. If you are unable to do it, get help. Talk to your friends and get help, please. I'll move on to the next person. Karthikeyan, can you proceed, please? Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, are you there? No. Okay. Lalit Raju, you there?
நீங்க எலிஜிபிள் இல்லைன்னு உங்களுக்கு யார் சொன்னா? ஃபெலிக்ஸ் சாரா? சரி இது இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் இன்டர்னல் லிஸ்ட்
Lalit Raju,
ஷார்ட்டேஜ் உங்களுக்கு.
not here. Madan Raj,
8% தான் இருக்குதா? சரி ஓகே. ஃபெலிக்ஸ் நம்பர் கொடுங்க. ஃபெலிக்ஸ் சார் வாங்க.
thanks.
சரி பண்ண அப்புறம் கால் பண்ணுறேன். இங்கே அப்புறம் சொல்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு.
Okay. Tangvel, yes, you can start presenting. In the meanwhile, if those who have their exam starting by 9:55, you can proceed now. You can leave the group, but ensure you give your final submission in Moodle. Nakshatra, Aishwarya, you are still you have not given your final submission in Moodle. You need to give it right now. Aishwarya, Megha, none of you. Please do it right now. Tangvel, you can start.
Swati?
Premchand, Niveda, Kanisha, Ashwati, Nakshatra, Aishwarya, Megha, Pooja, Sudhakaran, Janani, Madan Raj, Karthikeyan.
Hi.
Yeah,
We are able
Tangvel,
to see my
proceed.
screen, sir.
Yes.
Hi, sir. I'm Tangvel. I'm going to present. I have a topic of UFO. It's called unidentified flying objects. Definition of UFO: any real or apparent flying object which cannot be identified by the observer is known as unidentified flying objects.
In popular culture, UFO is often used to refer to any hypothetical alien spacecraft. The term flying saucer is also sometimes used. A brief history about UFO. Many more sightings may, however, remains unreported
Thank you,
because of the.
Tangavel. We need to proceed to the next person. We don't have
Sir,
time.
completed, sir.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who's going next?
Sir, can I do, sir?
Yes,
I
yes,
have
proceed,
exam
proceed,
methods.
proceed. Proceed, Sri Vignesh.
Thank you, sir. Is it presented, sir?
No, da.
Just a minute. Now, sir?
Not yet.
Sir,
It's
completed, sir.
okay. Okay,
Sir,
Siva.
presented, sir.
Yeah, it's showing. I can. Yeah, yeah. Proceed, proceed.
Okay, sir. So my topic is, I'm Sri Vignesh. So my topic is travel, the best therapy. So everyone knows traveling is good and it gives us many things. One of that is traveling gives us boldness. You can confidently go to anyone and talk like freely. So travel gives us boldness. Then travel can change our mentality. So meeting many other people's random can change your mentality from being normal than to be free with others. Then traveling can make your mind open-minded. So if you are traveling most of the time, you will be more open-minded, like talking to
Thank
random
you, Sri
people.
Vignesh. Thank you. We'll move to the next
Thank you, sir.
person. Mega,
Thank
can
you.
you start, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am Megha from EC department. My topic is my dream car, Volkswagen Beetle. I choose the 2001 Volkswagen Beetle as my dream car at the point in my life. I have loved the new Beetle very since it came out, and I dream of one day owning my very own. The new Beetle are cute, safe, and fun to drive. I believe that the Beetle is good for everyday needs, and therefore I have chosen it as my dream car. 2001 Black GLX full loaded. Exterior blue wagon. Interior black leather. 4-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift program and shift lock.
Thank you, Mega. We'll move to the next person. Makeshwar, are you there? Not there. Madan Raj. Madan Raj, Lalit Raju, Karthikeyan. Four of you. Makeshwar, Madan Raj, Lalit Raju, Karthikeyan.
So can I share, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yes, da.
Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good
Proceed,
morning.
proceed.
Today my topic is hot air balloon. The history of hot air balloon. The hot air balloon is the oldest successful human carrying flight technology. It is a part of class of aircraft known as balloon aircraft. On November 21, 1783 in Paris, France, the first unthread manned flight was performed by Jean-Francois Pietro. The hot air balloon that can be propelled through the air rather than just being in along the hot air balloon consists of a bag called the envelope that is capable of containing hot air. Suspended beneath is a gondola or weaker basket, a source of heat in most
Thank you,
cases.
Vamsi. Thank you. We'll
Yes,
move to
sir.
the next
Thank you,
person.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Karthikeyan, Lalit Raju, Madan Raj, Makeshwar. Any one of you there? What happened to these four? Okay. Looks like they are not here. Okay, those who have completed can leave. I believe, just for a moment, please wait. I'll read the names. Premchand, Niveda, Kanisha, Ashwati, Nakshatra, Aishwarya, Megha, Pooja, Sudhakaran, Janani, Madan Raj and Karthikeyan have not given a final attempt, final submission in Moodle.
Sir, I given, sir.
Okay. You got your marks for verbal?
Yes, sir, I got, sir.
Niveda, yes?
Yes, sir. Given, sir.
Okay. All right. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Karthikeyan, Lalit Raju, Madan Raj, and Makeshwar have not given their oral presentation. I am marking 0 for them. For the record. Thank you. All the best, guys.
Sir.
Yes. Madan Raj, proceed. Start presenting.
Sir, now one.
Yeah, present.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Sir. Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, da. Proceed, da.
Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, proceed.
No, I have my sir. My name is Madan Raj, and I'm studying electronics and communication engineering in Training College. Today, my topic is about hot air balloons. Hot air balloons are the successful balloons that carry 2 people at a time. That consists of baskets, and the balloon is flying through fire that extremely altitude. As we see in the next slide, hot air balloons are created by two Chinese. Hot air balloons are created by 2 Chinese brothers. Their name was Jacques and Ensign in 200 AD. And then the parts of hot air balloons are the middle, the bottom part is basket, and the upper
Madan
part is
Raj, thank you. I've graded you. Who's left out? Karthikeyan, Lalit Raju, and Makeshwar.
Sir.
Yeah, Makeshwar, proceed. Start your presentation.
Hello everyone. I'm Mageshwar. I'm from history department. Today I'm going to present about life in my city. Life in city is very modern life. In the city life, there are most luxurious and comfortable activities, and city of people enjoys much these facilities. The city is most glamorous place which attracts the people from the rural areas. One of the advantages of living city is that everything is close to home, shop, supermarket, schools, hospitals, and facilities. Besides, life in city is more comfortable. There are many opportunities to find good.
Thank you. We'll move to the next person. Who's available now? Lalit Raju.
Yes, sir. I am, sir.
Start.
Hi, sir. I'm Lalit Raju. My topic is about my dream car, Jaguar. Jaguar is the luxury vehicle brand of Jaguar Land Rover, a British multinational car manufacturer with its headquarters in England. The seating F-type performance seats are 12-way adjustable, so you can settle into your own personal sweet spot. That's the option of heating and cooling for even greater comfort. The fuel type is petrol, and the capable of speeds over 300 km per hour, and the F-type Jaguar can accelerate 0 to 100 km in estimated 3.2 seconds, and can complete quarter mile in estimated 11.75 seconds, reaching 150 km
Thank you.
per hour.
Thank you. Karthikeyan, can you start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Karthikeyan, have you given final attempt in your verbal part in Moodle?
No, sir.
Then what are you waiting for? Please give your final attempt. இல்லாட்டி அது மார்க் வராதுடா.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
அது முதல்ல கொடுங்க முடிச்ச உடனே.
Okay, sir. Start பண்ணுமா, sir?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Karthikeyan from EC department. My topic is life in my city. Introduction. Life of the city is very modern life. In the city life, there are the most luxury and comfortable and city of people enjoy much by these facilities. This city is the most glamorous place which attracts to the people from rural areas. Advantage of living in the city. Both living in the city or in the country as it is advantages and disadvantages. In a city, it's easier to find a job.
Thank you, Karthikeyan. Okay, guys, please give final attempt in Moodle right away. அதை முதல்ல கொடுங்க. முடிச்சிட்டு எனக்கு கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க இப்போ all of you.
Sir, is anything to paste a link in interview or?
No, you don't have to paste any link anywhere. Only the verbal part you need to complete and give final attempt.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
No uploading of anything. No PPT required. No link required.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Confirm பண்ணுங்கப்பா.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
கொடுத்துட்டு கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க. ஃபைனல் அட்டெம்ப்ட் கொடுத்துட்டு. Don't leave.
கொடுத்துட்டேன் சார்.
கொடுத்துட்டீங்களா?
சார்.
ஷூரா?
கொடுத்தாச்சு சார்.
டேய் என்ன ஃபாலோ பண்ண வைக்காத அதுக்கு அப்புறம்.
கொடுத்தாச்சு சார்.
ஓகே. அப்பனா கிளம்புங்க.
கொடுத்தாச்சு சார்.
ஓகே.
தேங்க் யூ சார்.
கார்த்திகேயன் கொடுத்துட்டியா?
சார் நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் சார். லோடிங் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு சார்.
சரி, ஓகே. லலித் முடிச்சிட்டியா? லலித் ராஜு.
Sir, completed, sir.
Thank you. கார்த்திகேயன் எனக்கு முடிச்சிட்டு கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண மெசேஜ் அனுப்பு குரூப்ல. Thank you. Bye.